Hello folks, almost daily vlog update time type thing. Car park. Pretty empty, which is actually quite nice. There's nothing really more to talk about out here. We've got rid of a few breakers, which I think I mentioned last time, which is why we've got a bit more space. I've been out road testing the Le Mans because I hope to take it to a show at the weekend, and I just want to make sure there's no issues because it's been standing for a very long time. So quite often cars have issues when they've been doing that. Let me just go and ask Ash to be quiet. Bear with me. Video time, Ash.
Trying to do some work.
Sorry, mate. Ashley's got a day off tomorrow, haven't you?
First one of the year.
Yeah. It actually is, isn't it?
Yeah.
We always struggle with Ashley to get him to take his time off. He normally ends up having it paid. How you getting on?
No, I'm not now.
No.
Well, someone's done.
Cool. Grinding back.
Yeah.
Other side? Let's go and look at the other side.
This other side is the other side.
Pretty much as it was yesterday.
I think the inner seal was just going on yesterday.
Is it? Okay.
It's done now.
Cool.
Cool.
Short and sweet.
I'll go back to work.
Chris is off. It's not very well. Got man flu. He's done a test. It's not COVID. But yeah, he is off. So we're really short-staffed today because, well, it's quite short.
Means the least shortest that was.
Least shortest. It's shorter than me.
Roy?
No, Chris.
I said Roy.
Oh, that's why I got confused.
You're not that short,
No. So Graham has been working on this VR Limited combination B. We got the we found some historic damage that we've got straightened out. That was up in here. Hopefully you can see that right on the camera, but that's all straightened. We found another issue with the rear hub. Let me see if I can find that. Where one of the studs had. What's he done with that? Oh, down there. Yeah, one of the studs was loose actually. So that one there is not biting in, and someone's been at it before and tried to tack weld it on unsuccessfully. You can see it there. Oh, you can see it there. Yeah, so it's all tack welded on. So we're going to change that, sort that out, because the last thing you want when you get your wheel nuts off is to find that one of them spinning around because the stud's spinning around with it, because that's ungood. Roy is... We're up to Roy?
Rebuilding.
So this one might have been one of the ones that slipped through the net in terms of getting daily videos done, because we were just too it just wasn't possible for a couple of weeks. So this had rear seals, arches, inner seals, sill end plates, inner arch lips. It's original BBR turbo, this one as well. So this is just back from paint. Roy's unfortunately having to put it together on the floor because drive type cars got no wheels. Can't come off. So yeah, anyway, I won't talk too much about that in this because there's separate videos for it. So kind of short and sweet really. Unfortunately there's going to be a few like that at the moment, just with all the holidays and stuff like that. August, everyone wants holidays in August because that's when kids are off school. So I think Roy, when are you off, Roy?
2 weeks.
Week after next?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm just sort of taking time as and when I can get moments. I am actually off tomorrow, going to Brooklands with the kids, looking forward to that. And then I'm off Tuesday and Wednesday next week. So yeah, it's going to be a bit like that at the moment. Okay then. Right, catch you on the next one. Bye.